Here's the situation. We've got to get this right here on this. And I think all it does is squeeze in there. So I just got to kind of pull it off. All right, let's try. Okay, so try not to break anything. I just think this just kind of pushes out. Oh, it's got a hook in it. I see right there. So this has to, see inside there, there's a little hook. So I think I've got to reach in and pull it this way and then push it like this. It'll come off that thing. Yeah, I got it. Now I just gotta pull it out of there. It should just pop out. You see? Like this. Oh, shit. There we go. I got it. All right, so now, if you look in there, you see that little hook right there? This little hook here slides into this little spot on this thing. So on this one here, which is brand new, which I think, well, let's see if it's got one of those slots. Okay, see the slot right there? That's going to go in there. And then this thing kind of keeps it from popping out. So we just got to get it like this. You see, like this, I'm going to smush it in there like that. Oh, there we go. And if I push it, just got to push it down like this. Now I got to bring this down like this. I got to pull this back a little bit because I got to get it through that little slot. Okay. All right, so now I've got it pulled back, right? If you look in there, you're going to see that I got to get it, this part here, this thing here, it's got to go in there. All right, you see that? I don't know if you can see it this way. So I got to slide this way, and it should start to catch on there. Oops. I got to move it over. Look. I got to move it over a little bit.
Well, what's odd, it's yes and no, because for other places have been clean.
Okay, now I've got it. If you look in there, I've got it pushed there. Now I got to try to get it in there. You got to push it down like this. I think. Got it. There we go. So now I'm going to show you guys. Look. So you look in there. You see how that pushed in there? Let me do it this way. So there, I pushed that into that little slot there. And now that's going to hold this in there. You see what I mean? Let me show you from this end so you can see it. So now when I pull on this, watch. What it does is it kind of squeezes it. Well, it's supposed to squeeze it, but I guess it has to be wet for that to happen. All right, anyway, I got it on there. And you can see the little catch in there. And I smushed it on. Good luck. This thing was hard to do. Look at the old one. It's a mess. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you how to do stuff.